Hey guys, welcome back to the CryptoJobs YouTube channel. I'm your host, and today we're doing a crucial update on Chainlink, or Link. The good news is the daily uptrend is still keeping prices supported, and we have a very strong weekly bullish retest area in structure right now, backed by our Ichimoku analysis. The charts are showing that the H4 structure looks bullish, and the price might move toward the $24 resistance area again next. We are currently in a neutral area on the daily, but if prices break that blue daily downtrend, then we could see a powerful break above the previous $27.50 key resistance area. Now, for the short-term outlook, this is an unstable area, and the $21.80 to $22 zone is acting as resistance. A pullback toward $21.80 to $21.60 looks possible before the next major push upward. Globally, the structure is backed by a very bullish fundamental analysis narrative, and strong bullish vibes remain intact above $19.70 on the daily basis. Now, before you go, I want to talk about how you can take your trading to the next level with me. I'm running a copy trading challenge on BeingX right now, where I'm working to turn a $1,000 account into $10,000. You can follow along with every trade. The link to my profile is in the description below. And of course, don't forget to join my communities. We've got the free Telegram channel for all my quick updates and market insights, and my free VIP group for even more setups and a closer look at my trading strategy. To join our new VIP group, just click the bot link in the description. Peace out.